Today I want to talk to you about the pillar family.
The day my dishwasher smelled like eggs. This morning, we opened our dishwasher and there was a smell. Not mild, not subtle, the smell of eggs. Our dishwasher is new, only a couple of months old. And in our home, we are careful. Everything that touches eggs, we keep separate and soak it in dilute Clorox solution before it goes into the dishwasher. So this surprised me because this is where we often misunderstand something important. Clean is not the same as disinfected. Clorox, household bleach, contains sodium hypochlorite. When used properly, it forms hypochlorous acid, a powerful disinfectant. But in the laboratory, we learned something very simple. We made it fresh every time. Because over time, that chemistry weakens. And what remains may no longer be doing the work. So this morning, we removed everything from the dishwasher, soaked it again, and restarted the cycle. And now we wait. Because in the end, it is not the act of cleaning that matters most. It is whether the chemistry is still doing its work. Thank you for listening. I'm Manish Karya from Dr. Mani's Insights.